Back to another video. It's your man Jay. This video is sponsored by Lasfit. I appreciate them sponsoring the video once again for me on the 2025 Jeep Wrangler that we have. So decided to go ahead and get some LED bulbs. And so what you want to do, if you've never been here before, you want to go up here to this area here, and it's pre-filled with the Jeep because I've already been in here. So after you get your Jeep in, your product in there, you just hit browse catalog and it'll bring up everything for you. So then you want to go into it and select the bulbs that you want, which will be these right here. Or you can choose any ones you want, but these are the LS Plus series, so 13,000 lumas. I really like it. So as you can see here, there's a $15 off code as well that you could use. But I'm going to show you how to install these bulbs in the Jeep, and it's super easy on the Jeep because the front end comes off so quick and easy. So check this out. These are the tools that I use: a drill, and I use a rivet tool remover, a 10mm socket, and I just use an extension just for purposes of not having to dig deep into there. But there's only 6 pins you'll need to take off of the top of the bumper, and the 10mm is needed to take each bulb off. There's only 3 bolts for each bulb. So let me get this bumper off real quick, and I'll show you how this goes down. Now after you get the 6 pins out, just pull forward a little bit. Quick little snap, and there's a bunch of rivets holding this on the other side of the bumper. It is so fast, folks. You literally just pull forward towards yourself. You can even stick your hand inside where the the headlight is housing, and just pull forward, and it pops right off. Just as simple. I wish all car bumpers were like this. Way too easy. Now let me set it aside. After you get the bumper off, you'll see there are 3 10mm bolts holding on. One there, and one at the bottom. And then you just get your 10mm and pop those out, and then I'll show you how to unplug the lamps, the current bulbs that are in there. Here's the grill just sitting down nicely on the ground there. Now I take my 10mm, and again I use an extension just because I didn't want to run the risk of getting too close to the car. But after you get the 3 10mm out, it's smooth sailing. You just pop the light off and you're good to go. Now, after you get the all the bolts out, just pop the light forward. It's very simple, and just lean it forward. And then there's a clip in here. Now, there's a gray clip that you'll need to take off, and be sure not to drop this gray clip because it is helping to fasten the light and keep it in place. So this first plug, super easy to pop out. Then you have this back cover that covers the housing of the bulb for protection. You'll just twist to the left there, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, always remember that. And here's the bulb. It has like a light gray clip on it. And so you just pop that gray clip out, and it's gonna come out really quick. So I was kind of feeling it out here, but the gray clip kind of fell off the first time. First time taking off one of these bulbs, and so the gray clip fell into the light housing, but I just flipped it over and it popped right back out. So after you get this out, it's a little bit of a struggle for the first one, but the second one, I knocked it right back real quick. So let me get this out, and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. This is the bulb that came out of the truck, or the Jeep. Now, let's get to the unboxing of the Lasfit LED bulbs. I do suggest you take everything out and just set it aside until you get to this portion right here. So you get some instruction manuals, pretty simple, straightforward and to the point. Shows you how to put them in. The Lasfit bulbs should be facing up and down. That means the LEDs should be going left and right, because if you don't do that, you're going to be blinding people. So make sure the bulbs are going up and down. The flat part should be going up and down. So let's get this out of the packaging here. Very easy. Take it out. And one thing I like about the Lasfit, it has a really big resistor on there. This is so you don't get flicker and stuff in the headlights. Yeah, see that big part that says Lasfit? That's to help with all the flicker and everything. So it's just plug and play, folks. The hardest part about this was probably opening the hood of the car. So once you get them in here, you're gonna plug up. I put the bulb in first. You want to make sure you line up the bulb with there's a big portion. So it looks like all 3 of these are the same, but make sure you're putting the big portion into the big slot, and it's going to twist to the right super easy. Really easy. So here I'm just double checking to make sure, because remember, you're putting in different bulbs, and so there's a lot more cable you're going to have to hide away. See how that went in nice and easy? Now I'm just going to plug it up, and be sure before you put the truck back together, you test it, folks. So I'm going to tuck it in, tuck all the wires in. This is all you have to do. And after you get these in, make sure you put the protection cover back on, and then you want to plug it up and test the light. Make sure you do this step right here, folks, if you don't do anything else right. You don't want water to get in here, any kind of debris to get in your light. So it should seal real tight, and then you just plug it up. And now I'm going to go ahead and plug it up, and I'm going to drill it back down, seal it back up, and I'm going to test it, and I'm going to show you the amber lights versus these LED lights. It's a big difference, night and day. It really is. Even in the daylight, what you're going to see here in a second, it is night and day for the brightness level of these LED headlights. Simply amazing. And take note there, I did this on the bumper of the car for the purpose of this video, but I have a rag on there just to protect the front of the light. So let's drill them in. All right, all cleaned up, and here's the results. Look at on the left with the LED bulb versus the halogen. Wow, what a major difference. So you just repeat the process on the other side. I'm not going to film all that. Repeat the process and then put the car back together, and you'll have a good looking truck. With these LEDs just look so much better, even in the daytime, I got to tell you. You can also do fog lights too, but after you're done putting it all back together, this is what you get. Brand new looking LED. Oh, this looks so factory. I don't know. Some of the Jeeps do come this way, but this is a one that came with halogen bulbs. And so changing them to LED bulbs was a must. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Link to purchase is down below. And stay tuned for more. I've got more things coming on the Jeep, just in case you were interested. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.